Hi, what's up? My name is Caela, and today I'm going to talk to you about the top 5 word sentences that you need to know, either if you're deaf, hard of hearing, or you're hearing and you want to understand sign language. So, the first one is, hi, how are you? So, hi, how are you? So your eyebrows want to go down because in sign language, facial expressions are so important. And so, how are you? If it's a question, how are you? Okay? Hi, how are you? Okay, number 2. What's your name? What? So what? Your name. Name. What's your name? Okay? Where are you from? So, where, so eyebrows down, where you from? So, from, so it's this, from. Okay. 4. I'm good, you? So, so this is me, my, I. I'm good. You? This is good. If you want to do bad, it's bad. Or if you want to do fine. There's lots of other emotions, but let's just learn good. I'm good. You? Then, thank you. Thank you. So this is good. This is thank you. I know I kind of go like this, so it looks like I'm using this hand, but you could just go thank you. Okay, guys. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, ask me. And if you want to learn more sign language, go look at my other videos on my channel. And yeah, have a great day and bye.